nagpirmahan na sa impeachment complaint, ay tinanong ko siya kung ano bang advice niya. And tama naman yung sinabi niya. He said, do your duty as a congressman and uphold your oath to the Constitution that you swore to protect. And it's my constitutional duty to go through the impeachment process as an elected representative. Now, as to why I was the first one to sign, alangan naman kung sasabihin ng tao na gusto nilang huhukayin yung lolo mo at itapon yung katawan sa West Philippine Sea. Sasabihin niya gusto niyang patayin ang Pangulo at ang First Lady na ang aking magulang at gusto niyang patayin ang Speaker. Ba't naman nagugulat ang tao na pipirma ako dyan? These are statements that can't be taken lightly, especially from someone with such a high position.
This is actually also sudden dahil biglaan ko na lang rin nalaman na initially may 153 signatories na ang article of impeachment nung hapon lang. Kakagising ko lang noon galing sa 30 minutong siesta at kakalaro ko lang ng badminton at Block 123. Na rin ang 11 representative prosecutors ng impeachment proceedings na magaganap. Sila ay sina Representatives Acop, Acharon, Bongalon, Chua, Defensor, Flores, Gutierrez, Libanan, Luistro, Panaligan at Zamora. I mean, what if may matalo sa kanila?